you don't left your country, you don't come overseas. We all know who they are for. We all know it's our aim and objective, right? Any Sierra Leonean we go for go work, we don't comport yourself, and also you agree to terms and conditions. Now you truth you load for yourself because you know go mix parameters there. You don't go now in place you go fet. You don't go now in place you go begin cause confusion. You stay in the Sierra Leonean community.
So Professor Pifo, wetin you feel say na in the Hamburg most of the Sierra Leoneans them na gree see per work business?
Now the attitude, the attitude of people, and Hamburg. Also man they go for go work, waiting in feel. Now they do. They forget saying that people they work for.
And we find out say this season Boku get frustrated because they're not even called Boku man it's now working place. Wetin you feel say na in the cause?
Yeah, this is the problem, with Sierra Leoneans. Because if you don't travel, you don't left your country, you don't come overseas. We all know who they are for. We all know it's our aim and objective, right? If you go for go work, they don't hire you, they don't tell you terms and condition, they don't tell you the money when they pay you, they don't explain to you everything, that you agree before ever they go there because you know go no go be work. They will explain you everything. Wait for do, how they do, I might forget about them. But people when they go for go work, when they go for go work, what they don't agree on, then they go and change everything. So when they change everything, a problem. Now in about me.
But you not feel say most of the time na bad party or bad influence na inki make even this Europe dey apart from Greece na inki Hamburg sati man we in dey able get work or then second working place.
Of course, now they say so. Now, if they don't hire you, you don't agree. Once week it be so funny. If we don't work out 1 season, 2 season, you understand? Then you come, you don't get experience. Then go for can learn you. You still for pay the same money when you don't pay post. We don't sabi. Some of folk go now to most then starts for pay we. But the like today, they staying for job because we don't show we say for the outside here. People that know we job, people that know what we capable for do. Right? Not to me one, plenty people them. But you find out say the people that go last season, the problems they don't cause. They don't make Sierra Leone. I make you see Greek now very easy for identify Sierra Leonean. The Greek people are very easy for identify say you not Sierra Leonean because of attitude. Right? If you don't go for go work, you don't go work. Comport yourself, take your time. No waiting for do. For next season and call because any season and call you na plus to you because they add 50%. So no go compare yourself with person. We don't think that they will tell because of the don't see this person that this and they pay. Then they pay me the same. Though you know sabi the job. Now training they train you. So why you for pay the same with the person? Go cause confusion, Don't through the peer group. The peer group. I need to take camp. I need to take camp. This person they pay this person, and then for pay me. And the advantage in this is pay me too much. If you go to salon, some man work 2 3 months. You need pay them. But then still they work, right? They don't call overseas. They know they owe you money. If they're just they pay 1 2 now 1 2 they pay you. 1 3 now 1 3 they pay you. Now you agree the terms and conditions. Why you know they buy and continue that one day?
Yeah, because this na same thing self wey be don happen side where they work. The grumble and people and they talk say no but this way when they behave so no left the work, no left the work. Soon as you left the work, forget another work now, you find difficult. So then type party then they find for fall up a work.
Where you go for go work. First thing first, what you for do for comport yourself. Comport yourself. Not nobody go with you. Then peer group. Anybody they tell you say this you need to take am. This law do this, law do that, and not a good party for you. Party they tell you say it's a lot patient. This now work lot patient lot done this season. 6 7 months you don't done. Why you for go near post where they pull you? Now so go work season before last, right? Work na concuba. We go there. We go 2 weeks. So mommy don't work 5 months, 6 months, don't get 5 7 8 thousand. Then say wait at when the treat them very bad. Because the treat them so no strike. All agree for strike. All don't strike the people and call me now they still go dialogue. Then people and they can imagine they still they go again. I said, what you make strike now? What you make strike? So one came and lady come meet me say, you see people you know understanding people there. They don't work now 5 months. They don't get 5 6 7 grand. I say we kill like for help us Sierra Leone brother and sisters them. Now make we agree for we take part in strike, right? Now the work is done because what make the work done, we don't strike. The people don't want dialogue with we not agree. So we not agree for let the people and dialogue with we from that day they still all come. So okay, no problem because we don't strike. Who they support the Sierra Leone? Later who they come away is different thing from them people and they. So me from that day they now begin land me sense. I say no more. Any Sierra Leonean we go for go work, we no comport yourself. And also you agree to terms and conditions. Now you truth you load for yourself because you no go mix parameters dey.
So like people way they Africa where they plan for camp. What's in the last advice we go and give them as well in the car way and go get fine work in place where then they work and they meet certain Sierra Leone and the way they put bad word now there is.
Always you comport yourself. And the first and the main important thing that one day. Anything so far, say this I not go for Ebola, not continue with them. Because why they damage yourself? You dey strength for work. Now look now what don't happen now. Last season, the one don't go work, and go for calling, but no call. Some man they pack fan work. Some people they call me every day. Hey, people fan for me, people fan for me. I thought about I see work last season here. Wait a minute, no call you, no call, I don't know why. Now because of the way you go behave, you don't go now working place, you go fet. You don't go now working place, you go begin cause confusion. You strain this Sierra community. You strain them. So this time, I dey advise everybody where they go for go work, comport yourself. No say that work you dey go work. Terms and condition. If you know say you don't agree, abide and work towards the terms and condition. If you not agree towards them, say no. Push them, push away. No go there. No go start and self. Don't start and self. Don't start the work self because you not agree to the terms and condition. You know say that this and this and this and this. No, this heavy for me. Find another work. Cook the boku. So for the next season, you no go strain. Now look at match. We don't where they don't. So some people don't go now hotel. They don't start for work. So people are opting now. No get no calling. They depend fair work. They struggle now for fair work. If you get family down under, you get you picking. They get people they take. What they look after you? You go for pay. You bills. You go for pay against house. You go for take care of yourself. Just imagine you can't sit down at the fair work. Say April, June, July. You know, go get them. And you may go feel as a human being. So don't change your attitude. Try for comport yourself and you say you there for a purpose. You give people in the look up to you. So be careful the way they behave. Some people are up to now, like look by all, they make an ambassador in a hotel. Which mean they make by an ambassador because of the way they comport yourself, the way they walk. Me go fear. Now before anybody why they give work, anybody why go see can't join log work. I go for look that person in bag. I go for take because I know one bad name. Nobody know one bad name now. Nobody know one